Hello students, I hope that you are good, well and fine. Today, as in previous session, we discussed about minors and cofactors, and today we will be discussing or we will be seeing NCERT exercise 4.3 solutions. Okay, so let's jump to our first question of this exercise 4.3, NCERT exercise 4.3 determinant chapter. Okay, so we have to find out minors and cofactors of all elements. Okay, so cofactors you all know denoted by Aij and minus denoted by Mij. Okay, so for this position A11 you will have your cofactor as -1 power 1 plus 1, which will be 2, so it will be plus 1. Now M11 will be eliminate first row first column, you will left with 3, so this will be your cofactor. Okay, what about A12? It will be -1 power 3, this means just -1 multiply with M12. M12 means eliminate second row, second column, and first row you left with 0, so this will be 0. Okay, clear? This will be A12. Now A21, it will be -1 power 2 plus 1 means 3, it means -1 multiply with M21. M21 means eliminate second row and first column, you left with -4, so this will be -1 multiply with -4, you will have 4. What about A22? A22 means -1 power 2 plus 2 means 4, this means 1. Now M22 means eliminate second row second column, you left with just this entry, means 2. So these will be your cofactors with their minors, as you can see, minors. Okay, now for these A11, M11, okay, A12 will be minus M12. Clear? A21 will be minus M21, and A22 will be M22. That's it. Simple. Now M11 means eliminate first row first column, you left with D. M12 means eliminate first row second column, you left with B. M21 means eliminate second row first column, you left with C, so this will be minus C. M22 means second row, eliminate second row second column, second row second column A. So these will be your cofactors. Okay, easy to find. Okay, so what we used, so if you are having this position Aij, then it's a minor, so it's minor, you will get it from where? Eliminate. So finding the determinant after eliminating ith row and jth column. That's it. And Aij means, so put -1 I plus j multiply with minor. That's it. This will be your cofactor, and this will be your minor. Okay, simple. Okay, let us move to next. Now here we also have to evaluate minors and cofactors. So simple. So let us see. For this matrix, A11 will be what? M11. A12 will be minus M12. A13 will be M13. Okay. Now A21 will be minus M1, M21. Yes. A22 means M22. A23 means minus M23. Okay, and A31 means M31. A32 means minus M32. and A33 means M33. Simple. Now we have to evaluate just M11. So M11 means eliminate first row, first column. You left with this 2 cross 2 matrix and find the determinant. Determinant will be 1. Okay. Now for M12, eliminate first row, second column. You left with this. So determinant will be 0. Okay. Now M13, it will be M13. M13 means eliminate first row and third column. You left with this, so it will be, the determinant will be 0. Now for -21, so it will be what? Minus of M21. M21 means eliminate second row and first column. You will left with these entry, and then finding the determinant you will get 0. So it will be just 0. For A22, it will be same as M22. M22 will be eliminate second row, second column. You left with these, so you will have 1 as your minor. Now for this minus of M23, eliminate second row, third column. You will get your determinant 0. So your cofactor is also going to be 0. Okay. Now eliminate a third row and first column. You will left with these entries, and the determinant for this 2 cross 2 will be 0. Now for this will be eliminate third row, second column, eliminate third row, second column, determinant will be 0. It will be 0. Eliminate third row, third column, eliminate third row, third column, determinant will be 1. Okay. So please do verify the calculative part. Okay. Now for this, okay, I will be doing for this. So A11 is same as M11. A12 will be, you all know by definition, it will be this thing. Yes, and this will give me -1 of M12. Okay, I'm just directly writing. A13 will be M13. Okay, so simple. Okay, now for A21, A22, A23, this will be minus of M21, M22 minus M23. A31, M31, A32 minus M32, A33, M33. Okay, now just evaluate. What you will have? Eliminate first row, first column. Now find the determinant. So 10, it will be 10 minus of -1 means 1. So it will be 11. Okay, 11. Simple. Now this will be eliminate first row, second column. So 6 minus 0 means minus of 6. Okay. Now eliminate first row, third column. 3 minus 0 means just 3. Okay. Now this will be minus of eliminate second row, first column, second row, first column. Okay, second row, first column. 0 minus 4. Minus 4 means minus and minus 4 will give you +4. Okay, +4. Now for this M22 means eliminate second row and second column. So 2 minus 0. So 2. Eliminate second row, third column. Eliminate second row, third column. Okay, eliminated second row and third column. You will left with these entries, and then determinant will be just 1. So you will get your cofactor as -1. Okay. Now A31 means this. Eliminate third row and first column. Third row and first column. Find the determinant. This determinant will be -20. This will be minus of 20. Okay. Now what? Eliminate third row, second column. So third row, second column. Now -1. Okay. So this will be -1 minus of 12. Okay. As you can see, this multiply with this will give you -1. 3 multiplying with 4 will give you 12, and -1 minus 12 will give you minus of 13, and that minus and this minus will become plus, so plus 30. Okay, now eliminate third row, third column, third row, third column. Your cofactor will be, just solve the determinant for this. 5, 0, so 5 minus 0, so just 5. Okay, simple, easy questions to do. Now let us move to next. I hope that it is clear to you. Let us move to next problem. Problem number 3. So using cofactors of an element of second row, okay, evaluate. So we have to evaluate, I think we have to evaluate what? Determinant, but using cofactors. So using cofactors, so how will you find? So A21 means A21 plus A22 means A22 plus A23. This will be your what? Determinant. Yes, we already discussed in theory session. Please refer my theory section class for this, that how it is same as saying that we got our determinant. Okay, now A21, now first of all find A21 will be minus of M21. Yes, as you can see, this is the sum will be odd means minus sign, and M21. A22 means sum will be even, so just plus 1, so M22, and A23 will be what? M23, so minus of M23. Okay, so now A21 will be just nothing, but here we have to find the minor of this position, second row, first column. So eliminate second row and first column. You will left with these. Then find the determinant. The determinant will be 9 minus 16. Yes, as you can see, 3, 3, 9, 8, 2, 16, and this will be minus of 7. Minus 7 will become 7, just 7. Okay, now for this, M22 means eliminate second row, second column. Eliminate second row, second column. Okay, and now 15 minus 8. So 15 minus 8 means what? As you can see, 7. Yes, so 7. Okay. Now what? Now eliminate second row and third column. Okay, this will be 10 minus 3 means 7, so minus of 7. Here you will get minus of 7. Okay, so far so good. Now A21 entry is 2, so 2 multiply with what? 7 plus 2 multiply with A22. So A22 entry is 0, so 0 multiply with whatever we got here, A22, which is 7. So plus A23 is this 1 multiply with A23, which is minus 7. So this will be, as you can see, 14 minus 7. The determinant will be 7. Let us verify also. So verify. How you are going to verify? Just expand through the row or the column wherever you find the maximum 0. So as you can see, the row 2 and the column 2 having maximum 0. So I will be preferring row 2 expansion. So according to row 2 expansion, this sign will be minus plus minus. Okay, clear. Now what? So plus minus 2 plus 0 minus 1. So this will be directly eliminated. Okay, so eliminate this and this. You will be having 9 minus 16. This will be minus of 7. Now for 1, you have to eliminate this. So 10 minus 3, you will have 7. So it will be what? 14 minus 7. You will get the same answer as 7. So determinant is 7. So we also verified. Okay, so whenever you are asked to such question that you have to evaluate your determinant using what? Using cofactors and minors, you can directly use this thing. Okay, so in general, if you prefer any row, say kth row. Okay, kth row. So this is what your kth row. Okay, then your determinant will be then determinant will be what? Say if kth row you are preferring, so ak1 plus ak2 plus ak3. So we are talking about here 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, clear? Okay, so where Aij are the matrix entries, matrix ith row and jth column entries, and Aij are what? Ith row and jth column cofactor. Clear? Okay, simple. So we also verified. I hope that you got the same answer as 7. Let us move to next. Now, using cofactor. Okay, using cofactor of element of third column. So this third column we have to see. We have to eliminate the determinant. Okay, let us see. So how you are going to do that? Quite simple. So determinant will be, so this position is just nothing but a13, so it will be a13 plus a23, it will be a23 plus a33, it will be a33. Okay, so in order to find the determinant we must know a13, a23 and a3 and a33. Yes. Okay, now what? Now what is happening is quite simple. Okay, so this will be, as you can see, this will be plus m13 minus m23 plus m33. Okay, why plus 3 plus 1 will be 4, 3 plus 2 will be 5, and 3 plus 3 will be even number. Now m13 means eliminate first row third column, eliminate first row third column to find the determinant. Eliminating first row and third column you will have this determinant, and solving this you will have z minus y. Okay, now eliminating second row third column you will have z minus x. Now eliminating third row third column you will have y minus x. Simple. So a1 and also a13 is yz, a23 is zx, and a33 is xy. Now yz multiply with z minus y plus zx multiply with, as you can see, I can interchange, so x minus z. Now a33 xy multiply with y minus x. Okay, now we have to just evaluate it. Okay, now yz square minus y square z plus zx square minus z square x plus x y square minus x square. Simple. Okay, easy. Okay, so this will be your what? Determinant. If you want to simplify, let me simplify further if I can. Okay, now what can you think? One thing is very clear, that if you want to take something common or try to make some your nice expression. Okay, so try to find your next nice expression. So take common x square from this and this. What you will have? X square z minus y. Yes, x square z minus y. You will have x square z minus y. Okay, now what? Now plus take what? Your minus x common from here, what you will have. So taking minus x common here, so you will have, as you can see, y square minus z square. Okay, so far so good. Okay, now what about this? If you take what can you take? Yz common, yz. So take yz. Taking yz common, you will have z minus y. Yes, z minus y. Okay, so far so good. Now this y square minus z square, this y square minus z square, okay, come from where? Taking this x common, sorry, minus, if you take minus x common, okay, sorry, if you take minus x common, this will be z square and this will be y square. Okay, and this can be again rewritten as z minus y and z plus y. Now if I'm not making any mistake, please do verify also. I will be taking this z minus y, this z minus y common. So I'll be writing here. So z minus y, taking z minus y common, what you will left with? So x square minus x, z plus y plus yz. Okay, clear? Okay, now simplify it if you want to. So this will be xz and yz. It will be minus xz and yz. Sorry, yx. Okay, clear? So this will be your determinant in the simplest form, or the more simplest form will be like this, z plus y, like this. Okay, I hope that it is clear to you. Okay, or I think it can be reduced, further reduced to what? X, what can you think of? X plus z, or x, what can you think of? X minus z and x minus y. Yes, so if you think this will be what? X square minus xy minus zx plus zy. Yes, so this will be, as you can see, this will be x minus z and x minus y. So this will be x minus z and x minus y. So your determinant will be in this simplest form. The simplest form for your determinant will be this thing: x minus z, z minus y, and x minus y, as you can see. Okay, if I'm not doing any little sign mistake or any calculative mistake, so this will be your determinant. Okay, please do verify also. Simple. I hope that it is clear to you, your determinant. Okay, so now this question, and I think this will be our last question for this exercise 4.2, sorry, 4.3. Okay, so if determinant, the determinant of this 3x2 matrix and aij is a cofactor of this, then the value of determinant. So we have to find the value of determinant. You all know determinant means, so the matrix and element entry will be multiplied with their corresponding cofactors. Okay, so this means this cannot be your formula. Why? As you can see here, a11 is your entry and the cofactor you are using is another row's cofactor. Okay, clear? Okay, I hope that it is clear. Now what? Now, okay, so this means this cannot be, this also cannot be, as you can see. Okay, now here a11, a11, 11, 11, 12, 21, 12, 21. So sorry, 12, 21, 21, 22, sorry, 21, 21. Okay, so this cannot be also happen. So the right correct option will be D, as you can see, 31, 31. So their entries multiplying with their corresponding cofactors, as you can see. Okay, so that's it for now. I think our exercise 4.3 is completed now. So I hope that you are now having quite a quite a good command on this topic of determinants, cofactors, minors. Okay, cofactors and minors. Clear? So as we also discussed some remarks in the previous session, suppose say a11, a12, a21, a22. What if you multiply a11 with what can you say a21 and plus a12 with a what can you say a11. Okay, clear? Okay, so far so good. Now evaluate it. What you will find, as you can see, a11, a21 will be what? A21 will be a12, a12, and this will be minus of a12. Okay, plus a12, a12, a11, a11 will be, just eliminate this, you will find a22, a1. Okay, this will, but what will happen if you see that along with this row 1, you know the determinant is what? A determinant will be a11 plus a12 a12. Okay, this will be your determinant. Okay, as far we know this. Okay, what if I wrote like this, a12 a11? Then what will happen? As you know that this will be a12 means this, so this will be minus of a21 and a12, and this capital a11 will be a2. Yes, a11 will be what? As you can see a11, this a11 will be a12, sorry, a22. So this and this. Okay, a22. Clear? So can you observe something? Okay, so when you just interchange these, okay, what will happen? So try to observe these sort of things, try to come up or try to play with such sort of things. Okay, this is your your homework type. Okay, so please play with these sort of things and come up with some interesting pattern if you across. Okay, come up with some interesting your pattern if you across, come up with something theoretical part. Okay, and try to build something new by your own. Okay, just playing with these sort of things. Clear? Okay, so that's it. I hope you understood every explanation of this exercise 4.3 in 5 questions. So that's it. Thank you all. We will be back with more concepts and problems. Again, thank you.